First, prepare the iron, the clothes, a placemat or any flat surface board, and some clothing hanger. Second, plug the iron cable into an electricity socket and wait until the iron gets warmer.
Third, place the clothes on the placemat. Apply the iron on the cloth surface evenly.
Lift the clothes and apply the iron on the other side of the cloth evenly. Put the clothes on the clothing hanger.
Seven. Continue with another clothes.